5K. Welcome back to another day of math meeting. Let's begin. How many days are there in a week? Tell me how many days. There are 7. That's right. Let's sing the song. Ready? Here we go. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's right. And so what day of the week is today? It's the very middle day of the week. And it comes after Tuesday. So what's today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, after Tuesday comes Wednesday. Say, today is Wednesday. Go, today is Wednesday. That's right. Let's talk about our months of the year now that we know that today is Wednesday. How many months are there in a year? There are 12. Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Let's do the song and the dance that helps us remember. You can stand on the ground and do it with me. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Excellent work. Here we go. Let's talk about what month exactly of those 12 months we're in. It's one of these orange ones. We're getting close to the end of the year. Look. What month are we in right now? November. That's right. Let's look at our calendar to see exactly what day in November we are at. So, yesterday was, what was yesterday? Yesterday was November 10th. Yeah, 10. And so, what comes after 10? Let's count from the beginning, just to practice from the beginning. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11. What two numbers make up an 11? You know? It's 2 of the same number. Yeah, 2 ones make an 11. And now, I also want to talk about what kind of shape today is going to be. Look, so far we've been having a pattern with the shape of our days. Look, we have a triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle. So what's going to come after a triangle? What shape is today going to be? Triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle. Yeah, it's going to be a square. Look, you're right. We have a square, number 11. 2 ones make up an 11. Good job. Also, today is kind of a neat day. Usually we write the date with writing the month, but sometimes you can write the month with the number of the month that it is. And November is actually the 11th month, and today is the 11th day. So today is the 11th day in the 11th month. So sometimes you can write the date with just numbers. You can do 11-11. But today we're going to write it like we always do. So grab your whiteboard and write the date along with me. Let's write November together. Remember, we always need a capital letter first. What letter comes first in November? That's right, an N. So grab your marker or your pencil if you're doing it on paper and make a capital N. Up, down to the right, and then up again. Your capital letter should be bigger than the rest of your letters, right? Because it's tall, and this O is going to be short, right? You know this is an O. So make your O. It shouldn't be the same size as your N. So N-O. What do we write next? No. What letter makes that V sound? Do you remember from our previous math meetings? Yeah, this is a V. To make a V, it's really easy. Remember, You slide down and to the right, and then you slide up and to the right. Nov. Eh. What letter makes this eh sound? An E, yeah. November. To make an E, remember, you slide to the right, and then you go around kind of like a C after that. November. So what's this letter here? It makes the sound, the sound. If you said an M, you are correct. To make an M, you make a line down, you trace up, and then you give it two humps. Two humps for an M. Okay. After an M, we have a letter, what? This is the letter B. B. B says the b sound in November. Yeah. To make a B, you make a line down and you give it a belly to the right. Belly to the right for letter B. And what's special about our last two letters here? Do you remember what's cool about them? November. Yeah, when the E and the R are together, they say the sound. So that's what's kind of special about them. So let's make an E and an R. To make an E, just as before, you slide to the right and you finish it off with kind of making a C after that. And then for an R, you make a line and you trace up and you give it a hook. Just like that. Way to go, you finished November, the 11th month. And we are in the 11th day, like we said before too. And what two numbers make up an 11? A 1 and a 1. Yep. So it's easy. You just make two ones. 11, November 11th. That's how you say it. And what can we not forget before we write our year? Our comma. That's right. So don't forget your comma. It goes at the bottom right next to your year 11. Right here. Don't forget it. So, did you write your comma? Okay. So we can move on to the year now. And what year are we in? 2020, that's right. What's the first number in 2020? A 2. Yep. Curve around and slide to the right for your 2. What comes after your 2? A 0. Yep. Try to make all your numbers the same size if you can. 2, 0. What comes after that? Another 2. Yep. Another 2. And finally, our last number in 2020. Another 0. Yep. 2, 0, 2, 0. Are we done? Yeah, we're done with our date. November 11th, 2020. Let's announce it together. Grab your microphone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is November 11th, 2020. All right. Terrific. Let's move on to our pattern. Actually, let's move on to days in school. Let's move on to days in school instead. How many days in school have we had so far if yesterday we had 47? If yesterday we had 47, how many do we have today? If you're saying 48, you are correct. What two numbers make up a 48? How do we write a 48? A 4 and an 8 makes 48. Yeah, 4, 8. 47, 48. 48 days in school. Way to go. Let's, since you're not here, I'll fill in the 48th square for you. Fill in our chart here. 48, there we go. Let's talk about tens and ones. Okay, how many tens are there in 48? I'll grab the number so you can see it again. How many tens in 48? Yeah, there are 4, and you can tell because in the tens spot, in the tens place, there's a 4. 48. 4. And then how many ones are there in 48? There's 8, right? Because you can look at the 1 spot and see that there's an 8 there. 48. Crazy 8. Okay. Now let's talk about the pattern. Can you read what we have so far with me? Here we go. Let's read it. 7, 6, 5. Okay. What do you think today's pattern is? How are these numbers changing each time when it goes from 7 to 6 to 5? Yeah, today's pattern is going to be each number is 1 less than the one before. So 6 is 1 less than 7. 5 is 1 less than 6. It's going down 1 each time. So if you need your number line to help you, all you have to do is hop back 1, not forward run, because when you have less, you go back. You get less of them. So what is 1 less than 5? How do we find out this number? We go 1 less than 5. What's 1 less than 5? Yeah, 4. If you need a number line, you can take 5 and just hop back 1 to 4. So if you're writing the pattern with me, please make a 4. Down, slide right, and cut it in 2. Okay, what is 1 less than 4? 1 less than 4. If you need to hop back 4, hop back 1 to 3. Yeah. To make a 3, remember, you go down and around again. Okay. And finally, last spot. What do we got? What comes after the 3 in this pattern? A 2, yeah. Because if you take a 3 and you hop back 1, you get to 2. 2 is 1 less than 3. To make a 2, you go around and then slide to the right. Okay. Let's say the pattern together. Just double check it. Say it with me. Ready? 6, 5, 4. I'm sorry. I started wrong. I'm sorry. Let's start over. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Thanks for sticking with me. Start with a 7, right? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Did we do it right? Yeah, we did. We went back 1, less 1 each time. Good job. Let's talk about our coin cup. How much money are we going to have today? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pennies. Oh, 11, just like our date today. Count with me to 11. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you for counting with me. And if I were to write how much money each penny is worth, what number would I write on top of each penny? How much money is each penny worth? Yeah, 1 cent. 1, 1, 1, 1. Each penny is worth 1 cent. So if I have 11 pennies, how many cents do I have? 11 cents. 11 pennies is 11 cents. That's how much money is in there today. And remember, an 11 is made up of 2 ones. A 1 and a 1 makes 11. And a cent sign is a letter C with a line right through it. All right. Now that we've counted how much money we have today, let's talk about the weather. Sing the weather song with me. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, what's the weather like today? Well, my phone predicted that it would be a sunny day today on 11/11, so hopefully it's sunny by you. Let's sing the sunny song. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. Okay, so look, the sunny days are catching up to the cloudy days. How many sunny days do we have so far? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. All right, and the cloudy days have how many? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, the cloudy days only have one more than the sunny days because you can see they're even up here and then one more. Okay, let's talk about our shapes to end our math meeting today. How many how many sides does a triangle have? How many sides does a triangle have? 3, yeah. Here's a triangle to show you. 1, 2, 3 sides and 3 angles, right? 1, 2, 3. How many sides does a rectangle have? Yeah, a rectangle has 4 sides. And the sides don't have to be all the same length, right? See? These are longer than the side ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle. How many sides does a square have? That has 4 sides too. Yeah, a square has 4 sides, just like the rectangle. But for a square, they're all equal. See how they're all the same? You knew that, right? All right. And our last one, how many sides does a circle have? Yeah, none. Look, it's round all the way around. No sides and no angles for the circle. Way to go, kindergartners! You finished Wednesday's math meeting. I'll see you tomorrow for Thursday's math meeting.